Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The museum beneath the Gateway Arch is free to enter and forms an important part of the overall experience. Located below ground level, it presents a broader overview of Western expansion and the historic forces that shaped the development of the United States. The exhibits move through a series of themes, covering early exploration, settlements, and the movement of people across the continent. Rather than focusing on a single event, the museum presents a wider narrative that connects geography, migration, and national growth over time. Before or after visiting the top of the arch, this space offers a quieter environment to understand the context behind the landscape outside.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.